Hey guys, let me show you how to make Ewa Agoyin and Agoyin sauce. As popular as this food, this is a popular street food and you can find it anywhere in Nigeria, Togo and Benin. It's a very popular Yoruba dish and this food is very easy to prepare. So it's just a mashed potato and a sauce for it. A mashed beans, and a sauce. So I already put my beans in a cooker, so I will allow it to be soft until it's very tender. So let me show you how to prepare the sauce. I'll be using some onion, chili pepper. This recipe all call for a dry chili pepper, so I'm using the blended one. Then I'll be using red bell pepper. I'm using just not too big, just a medium. Then I'm going to add a cup of water, just little water to blend it. So blend until everything is smooth. So this is just the puree that we are going to be needing to prepare our Ewa Agoyin. So red pepper is optional, but I like adding it to my give it another taste, and it's a very popular street food that you can find anywhere. So I'm going to add salt into my beans. Mostly Ewa Agoyin is made with our Africa beans, which is the Ewa Agoyin. So this is it, it's already out. If you enjoy eating the Ewa Agoyin, this recipe is going to show you how to prepare your own Ewa Agoyin. Very simple and very easy. So our beans is ready, so I'm going to match my beans. As I said, Ewa Agoyin is a match beans. Some people don't really like matching their beans, but you have to cook these beans as tender as possible, very soft, so it will be easy for you to be matched. But you are going to need a little water for it, so it will not be too dry once you finish matching your beans. So let's go straight in preparing our Agoyin sauce. You are going to need a palm oil, which is the red oil. Then I'm going to add onions, chopped onions into it. You just need the oil to be a little bit hot. You don't have to over heat the oil when you are making your Ewa Agoyin. Have you ever tried this amazing Yoruba dish or amazing beans, which is beans and a sauce? Have you ever tried? This recipe is very delicious and it's very easy to prepare with just simple ingredients. You are going to get this perfect beans and bean sauce. It's very easy to prepare. Just follow this recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and add my pepper puree. Then I will allow this to cook. One tip about making this Ewa Agoyin sauce is you have to make your soup very thick, like very dry when you are preparing, and you have to have a lot of oil on it, which is a lot of palm oil on it, and it tastes absolutely delicious. You are going to enjoy this recipe once you try it at home. So we are going to allow this to cook, to allow the water to be very dry in our sauce, in our bean sauce. So this is the outcome. It's not fully ready. Once it's ready, it's going to change its color, like a little bit dark. It's not as bright as this when you prepare your Agoyin sauce. To give it extra flavor, I'm going to add a dry fish. This is optional. You can add a smoked fish, or you can even add egg to it. Others, everybody has different taste in adding egg to add to their sauce. You can also enjoy your sauce as plain as it looks. You are going to enjoy that perfect Agoyin sauce. So everybody like adding different flavor, extra flavor to their sauce. So try the dry fish to it, and you're going to enjoy the taste of that sauce. Our sauce is not ready. We are going to allow it to cook more because it's going to change its color when you are making it. So that's the secret about getting a perfect Agoyin sauce, which is known as a bean sauce. So as you can see, it's almost dry but not fully dry. You can see the sauce is very thick and there's a lot of oil on top. I don't like too much oil, but this oil is perfect for my Agoyin sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and add seasoning. I'm using half teaspoon of seasoning. Actually, this some like it very a lot of seasoning in it, but I don't like it too I don't like too much seasoning in my Agoyin sauce. So that's why I'm using half teaspoon of seasoning in my Agoyin sauce. There's one thing about making this sauce: you have to keep on stirring it so it will not get burned and you want everything to be fully cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and add a pinch of salt, since I already add half tablespoon of seasoning. So I don't want it to be too salty, and I don't want it to be like the seasoning is too much. You understand what I mean about making this. If you have eaten this in the streets, you know a lot of them add a lot of seasoning. So if you're trying to reduce that, please go ahead and do it. You know, everybody preferences are different when it comes to seasoning your recipe. So this is how I like it. I don't like it too full of seasoning or too full of salt. So it's perfect, and you are going to enjoy it. Cook this for 5 minutes to let it dry a lot. So this is it. You can see the oil is ready, and you can see it's more dark, like more dark than the previous time we started cooking this. So our sauce is almost ready. You can also still cook this for extra 2 minutes if you want it to be more dark. So for me, the Ewa Agoyin sauce is ready. This is a very delicious Yoruba dish, and it's a very common dish that you can prepare, and it's with just simple ingredients you can prepare this Ewa Agoyin and Ewa Agoyin sauce. So this is the outcome after preparing our Agoyin sauce and our Ewa. So I'm going to enjoy this with a very chill drink, like juice. Then please feel free to leave any comments regarding this recipe in the comment section. To see more of my recipe, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload my next video. And please do not forget to like this video as well. Feel free to share this recipe. Hope to see you again, and thanks so much for watching. See you soon.